Have you been wondering where all of your new dental patients are going since they're not coming to see you? There's a big picture trend that answers that question. And when we come back, I'll tell you what that trend is and how you can still attract more and better patients. Welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Now, my dad's a dentist, and I know from firsthand experience, it's tough to keep an eye on the bigger picture when you're day-to-day in the trenches doing dentistry. And as the old saying goes, when you're up to your butt in alligators, it's hard to remember that your original intention was to drain the swamp. Now, the bigger picture right now that you need to pay attention to is composed of three things. Number one, increased competition from those new dental school grads and dentists who are delaying retirement. The second, the rise of corporate and DSO level dental practices in your market. They're here, they're growing, and they're going to beat you on price and availability. They're snapping up all those debt-laden new dental grads, and they're paying them pennies on the dollar. And the third thing is a trend towards mergers and acquisitions with group dental practices. Now, just like corporate practices, the larger private dental groups have availability and economies of scale that you cannot match. Now, don't believe me? Well, just see who the bulk of the dental marketing in your area comes from. Unless you work in a rural area with few competitors, this three-pronged attack is what you're facing against you. And if they out-advertise you, advertising alone isn't going to keep your doors open for more than a few years. Let me tell you about a different approach to grow your practice. Dr. James Keel in southern New Hampshire knows that advertising on price isn't working anymore. And that's why he became a SmartBox dentist. And here's something he had to say. Some of the advertising I've done in the past was more offer-driven, free exam, x-ray kind of things. When you bring patients in that way, you're chasing them for the next offer, or they're chasing you for the next offer all the way down the line. Since we've implemented our SmartBox patient attraction system, we're definitely getting the quality patients that I want to see come into my practice." End quote. Now, Dr. Keel is prospering because he decided to stop trying to go head-to-head and toe-to-toe with the discount offers, discount advertising, and corporate dentistry. Instead, he chose SmartBox to implement a marketing system that attracts more and better patients 24/7, 365. Now, if you're ready to do things differently with your marketing, go to smartboxwebmarketing.com/blueprint and schedule a patient attraction blueprint session with us. We offer these free only to serious dentists who want to see what a patient attraction system that can double their practice looks like. You can attract more patients, earn more profits, and have more freedom if you make the right choices. Until the next podcast, keep moving forward.